try and get you a close-up of these shoes so you can decide for yourself. This is dope. I always like when they put these on shoes. The box is nice. Definitely got bent up a little bit, but it's a nice box. Nothing special, just purple. This part is pretty dope. This A Ma inside. Paper's pretty thin. It comes with that, and it also has this little bit of wax paper in there. This shoe was glued to the dang wax paper, and so that kind of threw me off a bit when I looked at it. It's got the Nike Air back there. That's pretty dope. So then you can see the different suede quality. So like right here, you can, or nubuck, whatever this is, right here, you can feel a little bit more texture, but it's really smooth. This part right here feels super silky. This part as well, and that part's super silky. I like this off-white cream bottom on it. And this ain't the one that somebody tried on, so they ain't got all them creases in it and stuff. I feel like they tied the shoes overly tight, but I know this is soft, but I don't like to see nothing bent when the shoe comes. This is a harder piece of plastic. That's pretty nice. This toe box has a little bit of dent in it, so maybe somebody tried on both of these pairs, but they was trying to make sure I got stuck with these 15s. It's definitely a nice shoe overall. Inside is real nice. I'm sure that's similar to the 3s, and then that insole has the leather like the Cadillac seats, like I said earlier, so that's nice. Then here's the other one, the one that I feel like somebody definitely tried on, because you can see that crease all the way across the toe. I'm willing to bet there's some glue here if I shine the UV light on that. Looks like it got a little mark of some sort. This one doesn't feel as silky as the other one. All of this one I can feel the little bit of nap in the suede. Then on this air pocket, I can see where they might have wiped glue or paint or something off. It's kind of cloudy. Got a little something there. But it's definitely a nice pair of shoes overall that I want to have in my closet. So hopefully that helps you decide. And I know that was a long, slow ass video of turning shoes around.